Good morning, y'all. It's Raegan. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hit that red button down below. Join the family. I post new videos twice a week. Y'all know the drill. That's like my new thing. I say it every time I come on here. I haven't picked up a vlog camera in a good while just because I wasn't doing anything and like college was getting really hard, so I was like having to stay home and study a lot, and it just wasn't fun to watch because I wasn't really doing anything. But it is now Wednesday, the middle of the week. I am picking the vlog camera back up to start. I have a final today that I'm taking in like an hour. And that is my last final, and then I am completely done with this semester, and I'm officially a senior in college, which is scary. And then I'm also going home tonight at around 6 and flying home for a few days, and then I just wanted to vlog to kind of like show y'all the next few days of my life because they're going to be kind of hectic. I'm going to be all over the place because in 4 days I leave for Europe for 2 months. If you haven't already seen that video where I announced it, I will have a link down below. You should go watch it. But yeah, so it's gonna be crazy just like getting all the last minute stuff. I'm getting my hair done while I'm home, and I'm getting some stuff done, and then I also have to go shopping and buy some stuff, and then I'm coming back like Saturday morning, and then I leave Sunday morning, so like I don't have much time. I don't know, it's just gonna be hectic, but I thought it'd be fun to vlog and bring y'all along with me. So yeah, I'm gonna go get some makeup on and review for my exam that I have in a little while, and I will see y'all later. Hey y'all, so I'm sitting down eating breakfast. I made myself some bagel and cream cheese, which is one of my favorite things to eat ever, but I usually don't let myself have it. But it's a special week, it's finals week. I thought I should treat myself. And also when I went to the grocery store, I only had 3 days to shop for. So I was trying to get something that was like cheap and easy just to like make really quickly. So bagels were like, of course, easy, and you get like 8 or something, I don't know. So I'm about to do that, and I made a cup of coffee as well, y'all know. And I'm about to do some work for this exam I have. I have a practice exam right here, and I'm gonna go through it and see if I can get majority of them right. And then I'm probably gonna head to school and take this exam, and then I'll be back. Wish you luck, guys. Okay, so I'm showing you my outfit before I head out. This is a lot different than the outfits I usually wear to school because finals week is one of those weird weeks where we don't have to wear business casual. So I'm wearing as chill as I can possibly be. I'm also wearing this to the airport later, so I thought I would just knock out 2 birds with 1 stone. So I'm wearing this really cute Rolling Stones t-shirt that I got from American Eagle. This denim jacket is thrifted. Then I'm wearing Lululemon leggings, and then my white Ked platform sneakers that I really, really love. So I took my exam, and it was really hard, but it's over. So I don't care anymore. Now I'm gonna go home and finish packing and then head to the airport. So I just got my packing for Europe video edited and uploaded, and it is going live tonight. So I feel good that I got that done. It is now 2:30. I don't have to leave for the airport until about 4:30. I think I'm gonna do some research for this trip. I just like to be very prepared and planned. So I've been like making a list of the things I want to do and things I want to see, eat, all kinds of stuff like that. So when we get there, we'll kind of have an idea of what to do. I also might make some coffee while I wait, so I have some energy, and I'm pretty much done packing and everything. Now I'm just waiting to leave. Hey baby girl, hey yo, hey yo. Good morning y'all. It is Thursday morning. It's really early. It's like 7:30. It's probably a little past 7:30. I have a hair appointment at 8:30. I'm getting some lighter colors put into my hair. I don't really know. It's gonna be a surprise. We're gonna see together. I'm excited, but also really nervous because I don't ever get my hair done. So wish me luck. I'm about to go make some coffee and then we're gonna head out. This is my outfit, super simple, wearing this bodysuit that I got from Charlotte Russe. It just has stripes on it, then black denim, my white kit, and then my denim jacket. And my hair's up because it looks greasy, but I'm pretty sure we're gonna wash it, so it'll be fine. There's baby Nash Bees and baby boy at the door. There's Kendall going to school. And there's baby Nash, and he said that everyone's leaving him. So my mom made me a smoothie because she is the sweetest. I'm also driving through Lake City right now, so like I'm also really rusty at driving, so it's rough. I've swerved in other people's lanes probably like 4 times so far, and I've only been driving for like 6 minutes. I'm going to get my hair done by a girl named Abby Johnson. She's never done my hair before, but she's done my makeup and hair for prom and like some events I've had before, and I really like her. So I have high hopes that she's gonna do a good job on my hair because I'm nervous. My hair is like my baby. Hey y'all, so I got my hair done. It's a lot like lighter and more like highlighty. It's not like super highlighted, it's definitely super blended and I love it. It's like I've been in the sun for 2 months, even though the summer hasn't really started yet, you know. But it took forever, legit forever, like 4 or 5 hours. Didn't get to get my eyebrows done that I was planning on doing, and didn't get to go by Ulta, and didn't get to go buy some other things I need to do. So like I'm like really not in a good situation right now, and so I think I'm gonna have to come back to Florence tomorrow and do the rest of this stuff because I have a dentist appointment. I have to go get a cavity filled. So I'm on the way home now, rushing for that, and then I don't know, I also haven't eaten and I'm starving. So it's a busy day. I should have done a lot of this stuff in New York, but I didn't because I procrastinated. Hey y'all, so it's been a while. It is now almost 10 o'clock. Me and Mia took a nap. Mia, the dog. We took a nap from like 5, well, first I watched the new Ted Bundy movie on Netflix. I would give it about a 7 out of 10. It wasn't amazing, but it was pretty good. And Zac Efron was awesome, of course. And then we took a nap from like 5:30 to 7 something. Then I got up and went outside and played with my mom, and Mia played with my mom. She did some yard work and I just like walked around. And then I ate dinner, and now I'm laying in my bed again on my computer because I have some work to do. And I went to the dentist today, didn't have a cavity, praise the Lord. I was really worried about that. But I'm having some breakouts. So I'm about to go into Kendall's room and see if I can find a face mask. And we're gonna do a face mask and get the skin right before I go on this trip because it's definitely gonna mess up my face. So I stole some skincare products from Kendall because I didn't bring any home. I'm going to take my makeup off with this. I'm going to wash my face with this Salicylic Acid Daily Gentle Cleanser because I think it'll help with my acne. This is a really nice toner water from Dermalogica. That's a really nice brand. And then I found this face mask, which I've actually heard good things about Glow Recipe. It's a Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. And the jar packaging is like really aesthetically pleasing. So I'm like hoping that it works out good. So let's do some skincare. Good morning, y'all. It is Friday morning. I'm up. It's about 10:30. I have a few errands to run around town, and then I think I'm gonna come back here, maybe get some lunch. Then I'm gonna come back here and get ready and head to Sumter because my little sister's playing in a softball tournament there for the school, and my mom and dad are gonna be there, and so I'm gonna go over there and I have some stuff to do in Sumter, and so we got some things to do today. So I'm gonna do a little car haul and show you what I got. I know the setup's not great, but. So the first thing I got is this Maybelline Rocket mascara, the waterproof one. This is such a great waterproof mascara. Then I got a 64GB memory card for my camera, so I have plenty of space to take lots of pics and videos. Then I've never tried this before, but I thought it looked cool, and I need a brow pencil. It's the CoverGirl Easy Breezy Brow Micro Fine Definer eyebrow pencil. I'll let y'all know how it is. Then I got this Degree Motion Sense Ultra Clear Black and White Pure Rain deodorant. I just needed some really good deodorant, and this looked good, and it's like anti stains and stuff and white marks, so I know I'm gonna be sweating a lot. Then I got a travel size contact solution, a travel size lint roller because I hate lint on my clothes, and then a little mini brush for this trip because I really do not have room to take a full size brush. And last few things, I got the Sensodyne Pro Enamel toothpaste because my dentist yesterday told me I needed this for my sensitive teeth. And then I also got the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Fair because this is my favorite concealer. And then I picked up my favorite candy, the Airhead Extreme Bites. These things are amazing. So I picked some of these up so I can eat them tonight at Kendall's game. So that's everything I got. And now I think I'm gonna go ahead home and get ready for this game. Then I'm gonna come back and get some lunch. And then I'm gonna go to Sumter. So I am ready for the game. I got my green tee on representing WA, my school, my old high school, Kendall school, and then some jeans and just some sneakers, and yeah, we're gonna go cheer Kendall on. Hopefully she wins.
Mom, what's the batting line of my fifth? Woodson, Lamb, Rodford, McKenzie, you're fourth.
Oh,
you're like the barn junior.
you can't even see me. Hey. Hey y'all, it is Saturday and I am coming to you from my apartment back in New York. I didn't vlog last night because I just got busy and I was spending time with my family. I went out to eat with my dad after the game and just like really tried to savor the last night that I had. Then I got up early this morning and my dad took me to the airport and I got on my flight and now I'm back in New York. I have a few things to do today, and then I think I'm gonna hang out with Sydney and Paris tonight and eat some pizza and just like talk about some last minute trip things before we leave tomorrow. I got a few packages from Amazon, so I thought we could open them and see some of the last minute stuff that I just bought for this trip. Oh, okay, I was like, what the heck is this? I accidentally ordered two, so I'm actually gonna have to like return that one today. And also apparently it's supposed to be chilly in Europe, and like I'm not packing for chilly weather, I'm packing for summer weather. So like I'm only bringing a few things that'll keep me warm, so hopefully this will keep me warm. I know, it's kind of cute. Yeah. Okay, let's try this sucker on. So how do I do this? I just throw it over my shoulders like that? Yeah, cute. Okay, this is a yes, and it's also like pretty big, and so I could wear it as a blanket. Oh. I like this a lot. Okay, yeah, I'm taking this on the trip. First thing I got is this case from the camera that I'm vlogging on right now. I didn't even know they made cases for them, but it's like a little silicone case. I can get it open. Oh. I dropped this camera that I'm filming on right now a lot, so I got this little case to go on it to hopefully protect it somewhat. Then I also got a rain jacket, which just looks kind of big, a lot bigger than I was hoping it would be. Yeah, I mean, like, I feel like I need this. Like, look in the mirror. What if it rains in Europe? Like, I need something, you know? We'll see if it fits in my bag. If it doesn't fit in my bag, then we'll return it. Then one more box. I ordered some socks. Just boring old socks. Hey y'all, I took a nap for a little while, but I'm back a few hours later and I have some errands to run, so let's go. So I went by Starbucks and got a nitro cold brew and it's disgusting, so I wasted like $5. It's whatever. And now I'm going to Planet Fitness, my gym, to cancel my membership for the summer so I don't have to pay $15 a month for it when I'm not even using it. Then I think I'm gonna walk to Target and then I'm going over to Sydney and Paris's house. Currently sitting outside of Sydney and Paris's apartment. Got some stuff from Target for tomorrow and I'll show y'all what I got later. But now I'm just waiting for Sydney. She is walking back. Can't get in the building, so I'm just chilling. Stopped by and got sweet green for dinner because this could possibly be my last night eating good before we go on this trip and I have to eat like bread. Hey y'all, back in my apartment finally. I got my salad over there and some stuff from Target. I think I should show y'all what I got from Target. So it's just some little things. I got some bananas for the plane ride tomorrow, some RX bars for the trip. I also got this little black t-shirt because I think I need a little bit colder weather stuff, so it's just a long sleeve tee. And then the last thing I got is a thing of like mixed nuts for the plane ride. Just a few snacks, healthy snacks, filling snacks that won't make me feel bad. So I'm about to eat dinner and then I'll probably check in a little while, and then after that I'll probably say goodbye because I have to edit this video and get it up tonight and do a lot of last minute stuff for the trip tomorrow.